Ayan, Sophia guys, sinusuklayan yung buhok ni Elsa. Are you combing Elsa hair, love?
Yeah.
Hinugasan ko yung buhok guys kasi matigas na. Ayan, Sophia guys, oh. Keep doing it, love. Fix Elsa hair. Lalaro si Sophia guys ng mga manika. Ayan.
Okay. Wow, her hair.
Her hair is good.
Yeah.
Maybe the down one. You need to comb here down one more. Sige, love. And Sophia guys, oh.
Okay.
Good job. Elsa is ready now.
Yeah, and he is pregnant.
She smell nice, right?
Yeah.
Smell good.
And he is pregnant too.
She is friendly.
He is pregnant, Mom.
Alright. Ayan, Sophia guys, oh, sinusuklayan yung buhok ni Elsa. Hinugasan ko yan guys kasi marumi na yung buhok ni Elsa. Tapos nagkalat na yung buhok ni Elsa. Ewan ko ano ginawa ni Sophia. Ayan, naglalaro siya, oh.
All done.
Nachet. So, ayan guys, Sophia. Si Elsa yan guys, oh. Comb more, the down one, love.
Okay, all done.
Ayan yung itsura ni Elsa guys, oh. Ayan, oh.
And he is pregnant too.
Ano na itsura ni Elsa guys. Ayan, oh. Sophia kasi guys, kung ano nang pinaggagawa sa mga inugasan ko yan guys. And Sophia, oh. Naglalaro siya ng mga manika niya. Ayan. Yung isa nandoon sa banyo. Inugasan ko din yung buhok guys. So ayan, Sophia. Is this done, love? Are you ready to play?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm the yellow one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, girls. Let's go playing.
And I'm pregnant.
Elsa, what happened?
He don't want to share with me.
Which one?
He will don't want to share with my phone.
Which one phone?
This
Oh no, Rapunzel, you need to give it to her. To Elsa, the phone.
All right.
Hey, be nice. Be nice, Rapunzel. You need to give it to her. You need to let her borrow. Elsa, are you okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Be nice. Alright, what we gonna do now?
I'm sleepy.
Sleeping? Oh, Elsa, you wanna sleep?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe I'm gonna go to eat something. You wanna eat something too?
No, I don't.
No, you're good?
Yeah.
Alright.
And now
I will find something to eat now.
I need to sleep for my
You have blanket?
I have blanket.
Alright.
My baby.
Good night, Elsa.
Good night, my baby.
I love you, sis.
I love you, my baby.
Alright.
Can you kiss my baby?
Alright, I'm gonna kiss her.
And this one too, my baby.
Alright.
Thank you.